Hi guys! Right, in this model rail video we are now back at the Westfield model railway. Progress is really coming along now, so I'm gonna give you a nice tour, run one or two trains towards the end. So as you can see, all the sidings are now in this area. Got a few logos sat in there and some coaches. That noise you can hear is an American engine sat just there making the steam sounds. Pulling a nice rake of UP coaches there. So here we go. This line here will be the bay platform for the station. We'll have that platform there and this platform over this side, and we'll stretch quite a fair way. So we'll have a nice length station. Plenty of point work here coming out of the siding area. And also we got a crossover here, which you probably saw just there. And then the line continues all the way down there. And there is another crossover down there as well, which we'll look at in a minute. So if we bring the camera down here, the other crossover is there. Now that crossover is there purely to get in to the engine depot, which will be in this area, and there is the point just there. There will be a turntable in this area. It is on order, so hopefully that will be around soon. Now the track comes right around here, and here is the bridge that I was talking about in our last look at this railway. The girders are up already, but unfortunately at the moment the trains are not running across the bridge. We see here there is an electrical fault with the connectors. Shame, but it happens. All you do is grab this, lift it up, and it comes all the way up and down. Really nice and light. So let's carry on going down the line. Here we've got the freight loop or slow passenger loop, and the two main lines are here. And it runs all the way down this side of the old garage. We've got a few points there, crossover, and then we got a siding in here which will be the feed for the brewery, which will be in this area. The building is already on site, so we'll get to putting that in at a later date. Got a Bachmann shunter sat in there. Then we go around here, and this will be the second bridge, also being able to lift up and down. Having a few problems with this, the fitting wise, bit of a pain, according to the guy that's building this layout here. And we come right around here. There's the end of the bridge and all the wiring ready for when he returns again. And then we're right back down where this Union Pacific train is sat, where the station will be. So you can see a bit of work has been done since the last time. I think only this area all across here was just one piece of track, and that's it. So, you know, it's coming along really nice. And here is the controller platform here, just being put in today, so that's nice and sturdy. And we can run digital and DC trains with this controller. Just take the connections out, pretty simple there. Just have a quick look at some of the locos that are actually on the railway at the moment. This is a visiting engine from the Jubilee Railway, my railway that is. We've got the Heljan rail bus there again, and the Bear Garrett. If we look here, we've got the King, Duke of Gloucester, which was in my last review, and we got the A4 sat there. I've also got a little prairie there on a little freight, as you can see, 062, and then we got the Duke dog hidden up at the back of one of the sidings there. So some of these locos are home engines which belong to this railway, but quite a few have just come up for the main opening running gala, which will be in the next week or so. So you know, we got all these engines here all ready to open this railway. We got an Castle there, Tornado 37s, A4s, and a few more in the shoebox there. If you want to know what girders we are using, here they are. Really simple to install, don't have to really build them. And here is the other one. Got a few rivets along there, bit of detail. These plate girder bridge sides from Pico. You know, $3.50 for two, yeah, nice value. And they should work. Well, they do, as you can see that they are on here. If we just get a bit closer, you can see them installed on one of the bridges on the layout. So what we're just going to do now is just run 1 or 2 trains for you on the railway. None on this side of the layout yet, because there is no electric, as I mentioned. There is an electrical fault on this side of the layout. So what we're going to do is go and run that American engine first. So here we go.